In this problem, we are looking at points plotted on a graph in this coordinate system. So every point, every location on this graph has two numbers that describe it, how far along it is on the x-axis and how far along it is on the y-axis. When you have two numbers that describe a location, we usually express it as an ordered pair. So an ordered pair comes in parentheses, has two numbers, and has a comma in between them. The x value is first, and the y value is second. Easy to remember, that's alphabetical order. In this particular problem, they want us to find or write an ordered pair for the location of the post office. So here's the post office right here. So we need basically just to have a set of parentheses with a comma in between and two numbers. The first number is the x value. So the way to do that is to drop a line down and see where you end up on the x-axis. This is the x-axis down here. And it looks like we ended up at 3, so that's our x-coordinate. And then the y-coordinate we can get by going over to the y-axis. This is our y-axis, and see what number we're at. And it looks like we're at 5. So the location of the post office is at 3, 5. This kind of coordinate system is the same kind of system we use for GPS locations and GPS coordinates. There's just a little more detail and accuracy in GPS numbers, but it's basically two coordinates showing your latitude and longitude. So it's really just like this. Let's try practicing one more. This one says write an ordered pair for the location of the park. So the park is right here, and we want an ordered pair, and we need the x value and the y value. So let's find the x value by going down to the x-axis. So that looks like 6. And then let's find the y value by going over to the y-axis, and that looks like 5. So the coordinates for the park, 6, 5. So that's a little bit of work with finding an ordered pair for a location on a graph.